What's going on? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got a 2011 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited with me today. Good looking bike. It's got a two-tone cherry red sunglow and Merlot sunglow. Real nice color combo. Bike's in good shape. It's got a few little rock chips on the fairing. There's one right there and one right there. It's got a Clockworks tinted windscreen. There's a hole right here in the fairing. I'm not sure if that was an old mounting spot for the trim or what's going on there. There's a light rub mark on the inside of the windscreen. I'm guessing they probably had one of those 3-pouch or leather pouch setups right here. It's not real noticeable, but the Limited has heated grips. It's got factory security, ABS brakes. It's got cruise control. This one's got the chrome switch housings. It's got adjustable wind deflectors. It's got the LED spot lamps and headlight, and you also got the LED turn signals. It's got a brand new front tire, new spark plug, service air filter, and we installed a battery tender pigtail. It's got highway pegs installed, 103-inch fuel injected twin cam 6-speed transmission. It's got the heat shields. Got a little cup holder here for the passenger. It's one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and then gave it a professional detail. Rear tire's in good shape. It's got the full LED setup on the back. And also, I noticed that the Tour Pack has the quick detach kit installed. So you can take that Tour Pack off in the matter of seconds and have kind of like a street glide look. Rest of the bike looked good. There are a few marks. There's a mark right here on the saddlebag lid, and there was a small nick on the rear fender. Chrome's in good shape. It's got the heel toe shifter, and I'll even throw in a complimentary Footloose soundtrack CD, free of charge. It's got 30,018 miles. Those aren't the stock slip-ons either. They're not real loud, but a little bit extra bass to it. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. You can also check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer finance and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.